Hello. We've reached 100 subscribers recently, if you have seen the other video. We've made this 100 subscriber play button. Yeah. Me and my dad worked on this for like, I don't know, like 1 or 2 hours. This red stuff here is made from like a red shoebox. This is made from this is a bunch of layers of cardboard. This is paper. This is brown construction paper with this stuff I wrote. We printed it. Now, you wonder, what are these stickers for? This, my first milestone thing. I'm a vlogger. So this is my 100 subscriber milestone. Or play button. This will be probably from like my 10,000 subscriber one. I'm not sure what we're gonna make for this. This, if I ever get 100,000 subscribers, for my silver play button. So, yeah. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Please help us get 200 subscribers by June.